Because I have a tough time with the rideshare business, but I have to admit, what you're doing in delivery is extraordinary, and the idea that you have a barbell where when we have a pandemic, delivery is a must, and when things get better, we're going to have a lot more riders. So win me over on the idea that you can make that much money in food delivery that I don't have to worry about the losses in just regular ridership.
Well, I think the hedge that you're talking about is actually pretty powerful. We can't predict the future. We don't know how long this crisis is going to go. And actually, the recovery that we're seeing all around the world, and one of the benefits that we see in our business is we are global, is different from country to country. And what we're seeing is when countries come back sooner, and we do have countries coming back sooner. So, for example, Asia Pacific outside of India is coming back very quickly. We're seeing recoveries in Hong Kong and New Zealand where we've reached pre-COVID levels at times, seeing that, things come back. And when a country recovers and cities recovers, actually people get back on the road. Same thing in Europe. Europe is now down. France, Germany, Spain are down 35% or less. They're still down, but it's a considerable bounce back versus the lows. And even during this period of crisis, what we're seeing is that the Eats business is growing at unprecedented rates. Eats is now at a $30 billion plus run rate. To put that into perspective, when I joined Uber, this was less than 3 years ago, the Uber Rides business was at $30 billion. So we now have an Eats business built in 3 years, all organically at a $30 billion run rate. Its top line gross bookings are growing 113% year on year. Revenue is growing 160% year on year. And we're already profitable in a number of countries, including our top two international, including two of our top five international countries.
Well,
so this home delivery is moving, and it's moving right now.
If that's the case, I have to believe that Postmates, your big acquisition, must have been very profitable. Is that possible?
Postmates, we think, will be profitable. And again, the Eats business for us, the delivery business, isn't making money right now, but it's because we're investing behind this unbelievable wave of growth. And I think Postmates is doing the same thing. What's really interesting with Postmates, too, is Postmates has been an innovator in advancing and expanding the category. So Eats and Postmates are not just going to be about delivering food, but they're going to be about delivering grocery, convenience, pharmacy as well. We think there's a huge market. Anything that you want from your local business or from your local market sent to your home inside of 30 minutes. That's an enormous business, and you're seeing signs now, but it's very early signs of a huge market ahead of us.